Good evening, it's Friday, December 9th, 2022. Market Headlines is ready to provide you information from business and economic. And with me, Fajar Wayong, you're watching Market Headlines. And let's start today's Market Headlines. Acting Director General of Railways of the Ministry of Transportation, Rizal Wasal, stated that progress in construction of the Jakarta-Bandung fast train had reached 91.7%. Wasal said the project will have 4 stations: Halim Station, Karawang Station, Padalarang Station, and Tegaluar Station, as well as 1 depot in Tegaluar. Wasal noted that the Directorate General of Railways, as a regulator, also helped prepare operations through human resource certification, testing the feasibility of facilities and infrastructure, and security assessments. KAI is preparing 2 train services that will support the Jakarta-Bandung fast train connectivity, the Jabodebek LRT, and feeder train.
Adapun progres konstruksi sampai dengan Desember 2022 adalah sebesar 91,7% berdasarkan perhitungan nilai investasi aktual yang dikeluarkan. Untuk rencana progres, kendala permasalahan serta rencana operasi jadwal penyesuaian pembangunan kereta cepat Jakarta-Bandung serta hal-hal lainnya terkait pembangunan dan pengoperasian kereta cepat Jakarta-Bandung, kami mohon izin nanti dari Direktur Utama KCIC bisa menjelaskan lebih lanjut, Pak Ketua. Prinsipnya, kami melaksanakan tugas dan fungsi sesuai dengan ketentuan yang berlaku sebagai regulator perkeretaapian, termasuk dalam hal persiapan pengoperasian, melalui pelaksanaan sertifikasi SDM, pengujian kelayakan prasarana dan sarana, serta safety assessment untuk mendukung rencana pengoperasian pada Juni 2000.